everyone, it's Mindy from MommyMouseClubhouse.com, and today I'm going to share with you my recipe for delicious cinnamon banana muffins. This recipe is one of the most popular on my website, and once you make them, you'll understand why. They are moist and flavorful and made using items you probably already have in your pantry. So take a minute to hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any new recipes, and let's get started. Here are the ingredients that you'll need. 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 3 large ripe mashed bananas, 3/4 cup of sugar, 1 beaten egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1/2 cup of melted butter, plus 1/4 cup of sugar and 1 1/2 teaspoons of cinnamon for the cinnamon sugar topping. First, combine the flour, baking powder, baking soda, cinnamon, and salt in a medium mixing bowl. In a separate bowl, combine the melted butter, mashed bananas, egg, vanilla, and sugar. Mix together the wet and the dry ingredients until incorporated, being careful not to overmix. Add cupcake liners to a muffin pan. Use a scoop to place 1/4 cup of batter in each muffin cup. Mix the remaining 1/4 cup of sugar and 1 1/2 teaspoons of cinnamon together in a bowl and sprinkle the mixture over the tops of the muffin batter. Bake the muffins at 350 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes until a toothpick inserted into the center of the muffin comes out clean. I hope you enjoy this recipe for cinnamon banana muffins. The full recipe is in the description, as well as a link to the printable version at MommyMouseClubhouse.com. For more recipes, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, and also visit MommyMouseClubhouse.com. See you next time!